Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to do some homemade cheeseburger, but a little bit special. First, the ingredient I'm going to use is from Costco that I got, the Curtin Sirloin beef patty. I like this one, and this one also costs more because first it's sirloin, and then it's also only 15% of fat and 85% of lean. And it is less fatty too. You don't have to put oil, and it's very thick, by the way. The burger patty is super thick. So if I take one out, and this is like I think around $26 for a bag of 18 patties, and this is that big on my size, and it's so thick too. So that's why I like this version. And I'm gonna cook this in a bit. And I eat with a hamburger bun, the giant one, because this patty is big. Over the weekend, I went to the Chinatown, and I got some Chinese bakery. I got this pineapple bun. So this is the pineapple bun, 菠蘿包. It's not really made of pineapple, first of all. The shape on the top, when it's done baking, it feels look like a pineapple. That's why it's called pineapple bun, but there's definitely no pineapple inside. But some bakery in Asia, they do put some little pineapple inside the bun itself. The pineapple bun is slightly sweet on top, so usually like this is flour, egg, butter. In Asia, this is very popular during the afternoon tea, where this is warm and soft and hot, where they cut it in the middle, put a big slice of butter. It was taste so good. It's very unique signature in Hong Kong afternoon cafe. They usually serve in the breakfast too. So that's why I'm gonna try it out using this with burger. And let's get started now. So what I do, I'm gonna toast it because I got over a weekend. I put in the fridge, and this is like definitely cold. I don't want to eat cold, right? No one want to like eat cold as a burger. So I'm just cutting it in half. And I'm gonna toast it. That's how it looks like. And I put on the oven. I'm gonna waste it. I'm just gonna heat on here. Put it in here. Toast it. Maybe just half. Set the setting to toast. Toast. So that should be good enough, I would say. Looks like it's heated already. I'm not gonna put oil on it. I'm just gonna use the Montreal stick as a seasoning, and that's it. So I'm gonna start putting this. It came from a freezer. I'm not gonna defrost it. The cheese for today will be provolone. I stop it in halfway because it feels like burning already. Yeah, slightly burned. Alright, that should be good enough. As soon as this patty reaches like 160 degree like Fahrenheit, and I'll stop cooking because I've been testing on what is the best temperature so it'll still feel juicy. I'm gonna put a little bit because this thing is very salty. I think pretty much that's it. This already smells so good. Yeah, I don't want to go out to grill today. It's super hot outside, low wind, so let me do indoor cooking. I'll get the same result anyway. Probably like no burning flavor as much. I try not to press like so hard because I don't want all the juice come out, you know. They'll become very dry. And as you can tell, it's only like not too much oil coming out. So that's why I like this version of patty, like sirloin patty meat. And let's take a look this time. Almost there. So time to put a cheese on it, let it melt. And I like garlic. So I'm gonna add some garlic powder too. I just turn on the stove and it should be ready to serve. So I already put the patty and then the bun. And this is the pineapple burger. It smells so good. Not just the meat and the garlic too. Oh my god. So this is the first time I try this. Oh, my cheek got stuck on the burger. Got stuck on the bun. Okay. So that's how it looks like. Pineapple burger. It's called pineapple burger. Oh, so nice and warm. See? If the temperature that I tried, if it reaches to 160, everything is cold and so juicy. Oh, this is so awesome good because the bun is sweet. It has butter. Oh my god. With the meat. The crust here, the paste here is crispy, a little bit crispy. Oh my god, yes, so good. I think I'm gonna get more pineapple bun and then try to make this burger. It looks so good. But one thing, downside is a little bit messy because the crust, each time you bite, is little piece of tiny piece come out. It's definitely a little bit messy, but it tastes so good. It's not like super sweet, it's slightly sweetness on it. And the burger cooks on time. It's very juicy. Can you see this juice? Oh no, I don't want to press too hot. But it's definitely good. Oh my god. Oh. The seasoning that I put is the right amount because you can tell I don't like to eat super salty food if possible. It's just so good. Oh my god. I didn't know this tag can come out very good. You can, if you're like interested, you can go any Chinese bakery. Ask for pineapple bun. And make this as a burger. Because if you just eat the bun, it may be too plain. But if you add the burger, it's different taste. It's just on top of the cheese, meat. Oh my god. I also recommend you get from Costco too, the Kirtland. There's 3 different kinds. Oh, actually I saw another one called American Wire. I think that is less and more expensive than this one. I feel like it's an Asian American fusion burger though. I want to do basil on it too. Make it to Thai, right? Thai likes like a lot of dishes has basil. If I add basil, it will be basil pineapple cheeseburger. And you don't need to put butter on it because it has buttery taste. Oh my god. So one thing keep in mind, because this patty is less fatty, even though that's juicy, I would say it's still soft. The patty not like dry. But compare like those like patty that's 20% fat or 25% fat, like the raw one. This is definitely drier than that. Even though I set to temperature like 160 and stop there, you know, with a well done cooking style. So if you don't like if you prefer more juicy, you're gonna get more fat, obviously. I'm so satisfied. This is just so good. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.